Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io export failed issues in 2026. So if you're unable to export diagrams as PDF, PNG, JPEG, or other formats, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure your diagram is fully loaded and saved before starting the export process. Unsaved changes can sometimes cause export failures. Next, try exporting to a different file format. If PDF export fails, test PNG or JPEG to see whether the issue is format specific. Now check your storage location and make sure you have permission to save files there. Restricted folders can prevent exports from completing successfully. Next, verify that you have enough free disk space available. Large diagrams may require additional storage during the export process. Now refresh Draw.io and reopen your diagram. Temporary glitches can interfere with export functions and cause unexpected errors. Next, clear your browser cache if you're using the web version. Corrupted browser data can affect export processing. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can block downloads or interfere with file generation. Next, reduce the size of very large diagrams. Complex diagrams with many elements can sometimes cause export failures. Now update Draw.io to the latest version to ensure you're using the most stable release available. Finally, restart the application or browser and try exporting again using a different file name. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io export failed issues. Now your diagrams should export properly without any errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.